So today I'm chasing Waterfall. So this place is not usually known by many people. Guys, I'm telling you, everybody is just sliding. Others are giving up and want to go back. So let's go to the preview. What is this life? Life is about being happy. Not all the time, but when you can. So guys, find something that you will enjoy, that will make your life worth living. So today, kindly watch this video till the end so you can be able to enjoy. Hi guys, hi, it's Princess Suzan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. So I'm here at International House. I'm waiting for the group that I'm going with to come so we can go together. I'm looking forward to this day. So guys, this is my ride for today. And guys, we are very much ready. We are about to start our journey right now. Everyone is seated up. So this time around I booked with Royal Nature Adventure. Kindly click on the description box to get their number so you can book with them. They are very wonderful guys. So guys, we are here. We are having a stopover for like 10 minutes. We started our journey from 7:30 and now it's 9:45 a.m. in the morning and we still have a long journey to go. So I'm here right now. So I can't vlog inside the bus or because it is too loud because of the music and I don't want copyright issues, so that's why I'm vlogging here and then we will just go straight to where we are heading. So we are here like 10 minutes and then we go and we continue with our journey. So far everything is good. I need to go and buy something. So guys, we are here in Mwea, Kirinyaga County, and this place or Kirinyaga County economic activities includes rice, tea, coffee, horticultural farming, fishing, and also commercial businesses in this area.
You can get for that.
I just love the giraffe here. This is so nice. video hata sijachukua kitu. Oh. So guys, the break is over and we are trying and we are going to go now. I hope we arrive on time. The weather is so beautiful today. I hope the water will not be too cold so we can be able to swim. Look at that. Let's go.
Baridi usilale peke yako kama slasher.
Unalala peke yako. Unalala peke yako. Oh goodness, there's an accident over here. We are almost here, guys. So excited. We are here guys, we are here.
Rules. Usiruke mahali. Unaenda mahali kumeinama, don't jump. Always watch your step, ukikanyanga mahali. Juu hiyo mtu iko na mawe mingi and they are big. So ukiangukia, it's you that you break. Si ndio? So don't jump, watch your step. Alafu utafuata guide, anaitwa Peter. Akikwambia usiende huko, usiende. Kama kuna mahali kunakaa risky but you still need a picture. Mwambie kupatia safe spot, si ndio? For the picture. Ndio kila mtu akuwe safe na watu wa have fun at the end of the day, si ndio? Hatujai kuwa na accident, so siku ya kwanza leo. Another thing, kama uko na allergies, kama you are diabetic, you are hypertensive, unafaa uniambie. Kama uko na allergy of these things, unaenda kwa kichaka kama moja kanaweza kuchapa and you are allergic, unafaa nijue. Allergy of these things.
Oh.
In case unaona kama moja. Sawa.
Kama mtu hajui ako na allergy.
Na mtu hajui nani ukweli?
I don't know what to do. So, tunapenda guide anaitwa Peter, the yule. Ndio Peter. Atawa guide, mimi mtanipata pale kwa Waterfall ya pili.
So we just received our rules, so right now we are going for the warm-up section before we start our hike. And here we go, guys. Here we go. At least inaonekana baka. Yeah. Bad man chicken. So I believe the first thing we are going to do, we are going to the tea farm and then after that we are going to hike. So guys, today I'm going to learn some few things that I don't know and it will be very enjoyable. But I don't like hiking because I'm not good with hiking. So today I'm just told that we are going to hike like 3 hours. I'll be tired, but it's okay, it's worth it. It's gonna be a fun day. So guys, our first tour is the tea farm. We'll be walking through the tea farm as we go to the waterfalls. Yeah, like this one.
Yeah.
Oh,
The red ones.
the red ones are ready to be planted to you guys. Umeambiwa. Twendeni, msinigoje. Mkisema mnanigoje. Huku ni kwa nini kopi? Hey, anasema this is. Anasema this is.
Hii ni machani chai.
Oh, kahawa.
Like it, 2 leaves at a bud. Unaona hii? This is the bud with the 2 leaves.
So guys, as you can see, we are walking through the tea farm. Today I'm learning how to be a good farmer.
Hiyo ndio nini kubwa sana. Kama hii nakata, hiyo tunatupa. Naweka kwa nini?
So hizo zingine zinabaki west.
Na hiyo inabaki ni hiyo umeshika.
Hii sasa ndio nini? Ndio the best.
The best one. So hey, unajuaje the best?
Because hii sasa ukipeleka kwa bank center, ndio utanunuliwa, utambaiwa, sasa ndio utapimiwa.
Hii ndio utapimiwa. Sasa what
ile pale avocado.
Haya. Nani alikuwa anaulizia avocado? Si ndio avocado yako? Umeonyeshwa. Umeonyeshwa? Unaona tu mbele. Ndio tunavyosetisha kwa next. Inalibeba. Oh Jesus. So guys, right now we are still walking and we are enjoying ourselves here. As you can see, this place is just green all over. And look at it.
Tuingie hii venye nimeenda huku.
Leo ni chat.
Ati mwenye anabeba nini? Alisema ati lazima bebe. Unajaza mafuta. Alikala sema ati lazima. Oh my goodness, we are going down, down, down. This is fun. You see, the good thing about hiking is that you just go and then you find yourself already there. Can you imagine? Oh, but one thing I hate about this is, what if there's a snake down there? Princess is very scared. Siniwana kufuata.
Nichukua wengine. Wengine si ni wadogo sana. Mimi tu mnaonekana wala uko huko. Naona tu kitu kidogo tu.
Hawana bahati. If you want something. So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button. I am here at Kirinyaga County. Twende usianguke.
Mimi siwezi anguka, unajua mimi nimezoea huko. Mimi naenda na rivers mpaka huko chini.
Kai. Pole pole tu. Ewe concentrate tu mbele wataka na mimi. Baba. Hata onesha tuko mbele, nataka waone na hiyo. Huko ndo tunaomba tutembea pole pole.
Huku sasa unakasa miguu kabisa.
Sasa sijakuja na viatu za kuslipa. Slide. Yes. Kami wanapata. Kaila tunateremka, mje tunateremka. Kai. We are going down. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, akina tunateremka. Kuanguka ni mbele.
Lakini hakuna display.
Mbele sasa wewe uoni. Sasa wewe hapo ndo utajulikana kama wewe ni videographer. Guys, we are going down. Are we going to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Seriously?
You're almost.
Jesus.
To get to the first
Can
one.
you hear the sound of the waterfall, guys? Oh, I don't like hiking, but this one is worth it, I believe so. Oh my goodness. We are going down there. We are going down. We are going down. Kaya angalia kule wako. Uko juu. So guys, we are here. Oh goodness, look at that. I don't like hiking, but this one is worth it, I believe so. So guys, we are here. Oh goodness. Jesus Christ! Oh.
Alafu utaniambia plus size.
I'm here with somebody from here. Kwa nini inaitwa outdoor man cabin?
Sababu ni ya nje.
Kwa sababu ni ya
nje.
Oh, so you said that huku kuna waterfall ngapi hivi?
3.
Na moja.
Kuna Kadiri, then Itirire. The last one is Gishero.
Now what's your favorite? Yako ile unapenda zaidi ni hiyo Itirire?
Hiyo Gishero.
Sababu hiyo kitu ni ngumu kupita.
Hii hapa sababu ya swimming, kuna swinging and the rest.
Na hii plantation inaendelea huko alafu
ya majani chai? Ni ya uyavu ya Nimbas, ya kwetu home.
Na hiyo yote imechukuliwa how many acres?
Hii ya Nimba ni ya 80 acres. Kwetu kila mtu ako na 1 acre.
Kwa hivyo hii ni ya community kubwa, sasa ni ya kampuni moja?
Ni familia.
Oh, sawa, asante. So I was just asking how many waterfalls we have here. We have 3. We have Gishero, Itirire, and we also have Kadiri. And this land has been taken by community. They have their own acres of land, and then they invite the tourists to come and visit this area. So guys, we are done with the first waterfall. So now we are heading for the second and the third waterfall. The funny thing about waterfall is that you just go down and down and down, and sometimes it's they are very sliding, you fall down, but going up is the challenge for me. Oh goodness, I don't like hiking. Mimi sijui kama natoboa. Kuteremka penye unateremka na furaha. Lord of mercy. Gosh, I don't know whether I'll do this, guys, again very soon. I don't know. But this is so beautiful, guys. Guy, look at this guy. We came down there and now we are going up. Friend, sawa? At least ukikuwa nyuma yangu nasikia confident. Ndio maana nakwambia nasikia confident. Jili you will catch me.
Sisi wote huko.
Jesus. Sasa huku ni wapi? Akila hilo zingizi nitalala. Oh goodness. Simzito. Yangarendere na kwamba kali. What? Usiniambie sifanye niende ngarendake basi. Tunaje? Haki nakwambia hii haiko mbali. Naona kuna hope tukiona tea leaves. Lakini ukisikia waterfall bado ni danger. Look at this. Boy. Kingine sijui kama ndatoboa akini.
Wacha kuzibe ingine na sijamaliza.
Sana. Nataka kwenda hapo. Kwa hiyo vipi? Kwa gramu. How are you doing? What? Sana wako. Iko haiki yake iko mbaya? No. Sisi Tungoria nilienda nililia hiyo wiki yote. Hiyo sasa ndio haya. Seriously.
Hizi zingine ni
Sisi Tungoria. Na unajua That was so hard for me. I don't like hiking. Ati the bridge iko na nini?
Mwaka 100 na kama 3 4 hapo.
Wow. Na venye iko strong bado.
Hata sisi tunaharibu bwana. Naona huku penye imekatakata. Uza scrap.
Where? On the first hike we were going down and up, and now we are doing another hike going to the second waterfall and the third one. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Guys, we are still going down. Mos.
Tunaongea.
So guys, this is our second waterfall, but we are not going to stay here for now. We are still going to do the hardest challenge of Itirire waterfall. So guys, this is where we are going to get our lunch. As you can see, our chef is cooking for us. Vile tu simu yangu inakataa kuchukua hizo zote. Hapa nakulikuwa. Guys.
Guys, we're doing the 3 waterfalls, man. It's amazing. Don't miss the next one, man. Nice.
Guys, I'm telling you, everybody is just sliding. Others are giving up and want to go back. Yeah? Actually, I don't even know where these guys are. Where did they go? Oh my God, I'm on my own. Oh, I don't know where they are. There they are. My goodness. Thank God it is not raining today, because if it was raining, haki leo ningejionea. It's so silent, it is very serene, it is very green. Na watu wengi wako hawayuko, si nakwambia watu hawayuko. Ana manage? Oh!
Subscribe to YouTube yake anaitwa Suzan.
Yeah.
Hatuna
make sure you subscribe and click the one click. Unapanda kidole imekaa hivi.
Kofiti? Shikilia muti. Itikisha kidogo.
Oh goodness guys, this is so tricky, but this is so fun. But look at this guys, it's very slippery. Haki, can't do this. Oh my god, I made it.
Para device pasa bwana.
My friend, kuna mahali karibu ni dondo.
Yeah, goods.
Telling you guys, this is so much grace.
Hapo ni tigiza dizi nikapiga nani.
Guys. Niko sawa? I think niko nervous baka kiatu ionekani kuna mali hata mshikilie. Shika mti. Tikisa kidogo. I did it. Thank you so much. Kai. Wewe unashikiliwa na mti. Niko na nguvu, mnazileta. Haya, teremka. Hapo. Mbona mwatalini? Haki guys, tunatembelea wapi?
Kama mzali alikunywa pombe, sasa gari inashuka.
My friend, na bado
Watu wenye walikunywa pombe sasa imeshuka.
haya ndio watu wengine mbele. Na ni kweli kuna watu walikuwa mbele.
Hizi ndio group ya mtu bwana.
Haya. Na venye mimi niko nasema ni sisi watu wa mbele. Kai, haki na ni kweli kama unasema. Kai, kama niende hadi hivi. Kai, unacho ni nani?
Mshikile vitu.
Kai, ndio hiyo. Hapa ndo nimeona.
Hapa hivi. Kuna vitu vya duko. Hivi hapa. Hivi vya duko. Kando. Wale wanyama wako
Hike ni ngumu.
Pom. Mniambie jina. Mniambie jina tafadhali, mseme mtandao.
Niko.
Siruke mwonekane kwa subscriber. Simshuke.
itaeditiwa bwana. Kwa YouTube utaonekana uko na mtu.
Niko na mtu ama niko na nashikilia mtu. Watanichekelea
Alafu ni mtu anafinya hapa.
Simu ya maji ile unachukua nini kwa maji?
Guys.
Recording direct. Kako 11% bana, tukachunge bana. 11%. Achilia teke. Achilia hakuna maji huko.
Tuko sawa. Wewe tunaenda sawa. So guys, we are here. We have finally arrived on our third waterfall, but the challenge is that we have to walk on the river to get to the waterfall. So this will be a very challenge because we don't know what we are going to step on, and the stones might be slippery. You're walking on what beautiful waterfall here. So things we have to do. Nikanyaje?
Ukanyaga kwa hii kabisa.
Mbele.
Iko. Ndio kanyaga hapo.
Iko sawa. Wako hapo.
Tomoka kama.
After walking inside the water and sliding, now we get to see the biggest, the largest waterfall in here at Kirinyaga. So let's go, guys. So beautiful. Ninapanda.
Kama unaogopa.
Ninapanda.
Usiende.
Ninapanda. Hiyo kadaraja mtakumini.
Umenita kupanda hapo juu.
Twende na wewe, twende.
Ndio maana. Ndio maana.
We did it, guys. Itirire. After seeing this beautiful view, how could I refuse the opportunity to climb over the ladder to go to see the largest waterfall in this Kirinyaga county? So let's go, guys. Itirire waterfall. Oh God, this is the largest one. Oh yeah. I did it. And finally, guys, Itirire waterfall, the largest in this area, the one which is so challenging that you have to walk on water to get to. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm watching this, guys. The vapor from it is just so wonderful. It feels like you're being rained on. I just love this, guys. I love this. This is so beautiful. Akini poa. Hi, Zaki. We are supposed to go up there. Akina kwambia. Mimi nimetulia. And we came from there. I can't imagine, It was so challenging to vlog coming up. So guys, I'm here already. Wow, guys, after all that, we are finally going to settle on our last waterfall. In here, we are going to swim, swing, we are going to eat, we are going to play volleyball. I can't wait to just rest. I'm telling you guys, this water is so cold, eh? Very, very cold. I can't swim today because this water is so cold. It's like ice and I'm so scared of swimming, and then I don't like cold, and then I don't even know how to swim to save myself from this cold water. So that's why I can't swim, but it is fun. So this is the cooking area where everybody are waiting to get their food. Oh, the food is prepared over there, right? And so, my dear guys, one thing I usually say, instead of you sitting down at home feeling sorry for yourself, you need to find something that you love, something that will give you the energy to face tomorrow, something that will give you the energy to say a big no or a big yes. So what is it that you're looking for, guys? You will never save enough. We'll always say that I want more. Even if you have 1 million, you will always want a billion. So my dear guys, while you are looking for what you want, you can also enjoy this beautiful life. You can just go and try to find something. If you don't know what to do, make this as a hobby. Come here for the hike. Come and just enjoy yourself. And when you come here, expect to go down the mountain, the slopes. Expect to come up breathing so hard. Expect to play the volleyball around here. Expect to listen to the sound of the waterfall. Expect to walk on the slidey, wet, muddy sand. Oh my dear guys, expect to meet new people, socialize with people, to swim. Expect to walk around beautiful trees. Come walk around here where you can just enjoy yourself. Even when you come here, you can rent a cabin and they have a very wonderful, comfy bed, my dear guys. There's also an opportunity for you to take photo shoot. You can take a lasso or use traditional attire to take beautiful pictures. My goodness, guys, you can come with your family and do a birthday party. So guys, don't just sit there. Just enjoy this life while you're living. So what a better way to end this day than just dancing ourselves out. So guys, today has been very hectic. I had fun, but at the expense of falling down, sliding down. Oh my goodness, but it was worth it. It was such a very nice, wonderful day, beautiful day. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. If you love the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.